everyone, Brian Align here at Midstate Mitsubishi at 810 Washington Street, Route 20 in Auburn. Phone number is 508-832-8886. Website, midstate-mitsubishi.com. And for my pick of the day, I got my personal beauty right here, folks. One owner. It's an amazing car. I'm sad to move on from it, but let me tell you, the next owner is going to be excited to have this beautiful vehicle in their driveway. It's a 2022. It's a Mitsubishi Eclipse Touring, white diamond. It was the very first one sold in New England, bought by me. Love it. All service has been done here. It's got great service records. There's a lot of nice stuff inside. Check it out. You get the power fold of mirrors. You get the blind spot monitor. You get this. Everyone loves the light gray leather interior. It's beautiful. It's got the factory navigation. It's got the sky slide with the back, the skylight in the back open up. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, heads up display. Thing's mint, folks. Never had an issue with it. I love it. Didn't do anything until 51,000 miles. Great heated seats for the kiddos. My kids love that. Absolute treat. How are you going to get in this beautiful vehicle? You're going to give me a call, 508-832-8886. No offers will be denied. So come on by. Let's make a reasonable offer so I can put you in this beautiful vehicle today.